one Team Gamer, I'm fan from the gaming. I'm joined by
Hey Garrett, and this is an unboxing of
It's something about Big Hero 6, the series. I don't think it's a movie, so
we don't know if
it's probably going to be another one of those Disney shows, like literally every other Disney, whatever the princesses or whatever they are. Just a bunch of forgettable shows. Can't remember their names.
Well, they did one on the ponies that we
There's
didn't.
There's that Simba, that Lion King one. There's so much
yes,
stuff.
Lion King. Wow.
Lion Guard or something.
And we were waiting for this for 2 weeks, and it finally got here a day early, before the 26th.
Alright, so it is
on DVD.
Big Hero 6 back in action. It looks like it has a different art style than the movie. But let's see how many episodes it has. Looks like it has 7 episodes and 6 bonuses. Does not look like it's going to be very long. Let me see if it has a time. 175 minutes, so a bit longer than some long movies.
Such as, trying to think, the ones that are almost 3 hours.
We were sent this by Disney, so we didn't pay for it. But I'm not sure how expensive it'll be for how many episodes you get or any of that. My guess is somewhere around $15 is what these usually cost.
Yeah.
So.
Did you show them the thing on the front?
Movie rewards. Let me just not do that. Let me just. Something about the Disney Movie Club. Get 4 Disney movies for just $1. So it's Pirates of the Caribbean, Cars 3, and Moana.
We don't even have Moana yet.
Covering the promo code because I don't want you guys to get that in case we end up using it.
Yes.
And I don't even know if it works yet. We might get in trouble because I don't think this is out. So.
It's not up till tomorrow. 26th.
So, here's the disc. Doesn't have any art. It's kind of like a regular DVD disc. It's not anything special. We can show them the back of the case if we want after I put the disc in.
Okay.
There's not really much to talk about. We haven't seen it or anything on the back.
Kind of looks like a cartoon action.
Yeah,
actually.
That's what I said in the beginning.
Action, yeah.
It's really strange art.
I mean, look at that.
But I think that's it. So we'd like to thank everyone for watching and say hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.